Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. TGI Fridays, an American casual dining chain with a location on Hope Road in Jamaica, has filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The brand, founded in 1965, owns and operates 39 US-based Thank God It's Friday restaurants, and it said it maintains operations across its corporate-owned happy hour dining places in the US, adding that it has secured a financing commitment to support operations. Rohit Manocha, executive chairman of TGI Friday, said the primary driver of our financial challenges resulted from COVID-19 and our capital structure. After the bankruptcy announcement on Saturday, the Dallas-based chain said normal operations will continue in all of the franchise locations in both the US and internationally. TGI Friday's franchisor, which owns the brand and intellectual property, has franchised TGI Fridays to 56 franchises in 41 countries. The restaurant operator said those stores are independently owned and are not part of the Chapter 11 process. Investors can expect passive income from notable companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Kingston Properties Limited has declared an ordinary dividend of US $0.001058 per share payable on December 18, 2024 to shareholders on record as at November 27, 2024. The ex-dividend date is November 27, 2024. Pan Jamaica Group Limited has advised that at a meeting of its board of directors scheduled to be on November 8, 2024, a fourth interim dividend payment will be considered. Wigton Wind Farm Limited has advised that further to a special resolution approved at the 2024 Annual General Meeting held on October 11, 2024, that the registered name of Wigton Wind Farm Limited be changed to Wigton Energy Limited. The Registrar of Companies has approved the change of name, and the relevant certificate of incorporation on change of name has been issued by the company's Office of Jamaica. The new registered name, Wigton Energy Limited, will be reflected on the Jamaica Stock Exchange in due course. During trading for the period of November 6, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. International conglomerate Grace Kennedy Limited with 2,875,122 units represents 22.47% of the market volume in terms of sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 1,751,127 units represent 13.69% of the market volume in terms of sales. Advertising agency One Great Studio Limited with 1,059,682 units represents 8.28% of the market volume in terms of sales. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On November 6, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $49.50 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $48.78 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $159.51 and bought the US dollar for $157.76. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.75, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 54 cents from transactions at the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $113.99 and bought for $113.45. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.69, selling it for $203.89 and buying it for $201.20. For the credit report tip of the day, we want to give you a strategy you can use with a good credit score. Credit stacking is a strategy that uses several types of credit, like credit cards, personal loans, line of credit, to access funds for important investments. Instead of just relying on one source of credit, credit stacking combines multiple credit options to build a larger pool of funds. By managing these different lines of credit responsibly, you can fund big projects or invest in wealth-building opportunities. Credit stacking requires careful planning, but it can be a powerful tool for career changes over 40 to unlock new income streams, build wealth, and open doors to financial freedom. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.